How to download UFL on PC. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in uflgame.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. At the top right corner, you're going to see the option of download now. Click on that. You're going to get two platform options to download this right now, PlayStation and Xbox. At the moment, you are only able to download UFL on PlayStation and Xbox. At the moment, you won't be able to download it on PC as that option is not available yet. If you want to download UFL on PlayStation, click on this option. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you have to search for the game UFL. With that, game will appear. Now what you have to do is sign into your account. Once you log into your PlayStation store, then you will be able to download the UFL. Likewise, if you want to download UFL on Xbox, click on the option of Xbox. You will be directed to this kind of page. The same process goes for Xbox as well. First, you have to log into your account. So go ahead and click on the option of sign in. Now you can use your Microsoft account's credentials and log into your account. Once you log into Xbox, you will be able to download the UFL. So this is how you can download UFL on PlayStation and Xbox. Whenever it's available on the PC, I'm going to definitely update you guys. So stay tuned. That's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.